Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to change Instagram story background. So if you've ever wanted to create a story that has a custom color of your background, or you wanted to match a color in one of your photos, this is the tutorial for you. So I'm just going to show you really quickly. There are two main ways to change that Instagram story background color. So first we're going to go into Instagram and we're going to click on the top left where it says your story. Okay, once you're in your story, you want to pick which image you want from your camera roll. So this is going to be an image that you may want to match the color to. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my images. And this is the image that I want to use. So as you see here, Instagram chooses the background color that they feel is best for your photo. However, if you wanted to change it to, let's say, the blue that's on the thumbnail, what I do is I just simply go to the very top of the squiggly line and I click that. And at the very bottom here, you'll see that there's a whole bunch of colors. So there's two things that you can do. You can either click on the blue and you can hold it down. And then you'll see here, you can move with your finger all the different shades of blue and you can kind of select the one that's closest. But if you want it to match exactly, what you want to do is pick the little color dropper and then you move it around to the section of the thumbnail that you want to match. So in my case, it's the blue right here. And then all you have to do is hold down and the whole thing turns blue. Now, the problem is the picture disappeared, but there's a way that you can get the picture back. Now, this is what I'll call the artistic way of getting the picture back. So all you do is you go to the very top and you click on the eraser tool and you just kind of erase the part that you want back. So I just kind of go back and forth and color in that part that I want back. Now, obviously, it's going to be very difficult to do it exactly, so you could just do the best you can. And there's a way to actually paint that blue back in once you get it to how you want. So the way to paint it back in, like if you've gone over the lines, kind of like what I did down here, is you simply click the paintbrush tool or the marker tool at the very top, and you kind of paint back in the blue color where you want it. So again, this is going to be very difficult to get it exact. So again, if you're going for more of that artistic feel, this is kind of the option. What you really want to do is just kind of go like this, kind of like just scribble it. And that looks really cool. All right, so that is one way to do it. But another way to do it is I'm going to just click undo. All right, so that picture disappeared, but we got the exact blue color that we wanted. So I'm just going to click up here. I'm going to say done. And then I'm going to go into this option here and I'm going to scroll down, and now Instagram actually has access to your photos. So you just click that image, you select it, and voila. So if you want to make it bigger or smaller, you just take your two fingers and you stretch it. And as you're holding it down with two fingers, you can also move it around. So you can make it smaller or bigger. And there you go. And then at this point, you can add any text or anything you want. But essentially, that is how you can change the background color on Instagram stories. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Please click that subscribe button so that you never miss a future tutorial or video. Until next time, bye for now.